And just a bit cool for some. We're still dealing with a few locations starting off in the mid-upper 50s, and we're seeing that the case in Martinsburg, Cumberland, Woodstock, Luray, as well as Culpeper. Frederick was into the upper 50s not too long ago. Now we're back in the low 60s there, but we did drop down to the upper 50s right now in Manassas. D.C., one of the warmer spots on the map, we're coming in at 68 degrees. Low to mid 60s for much of southern Maryland as well. It's 61 right now in Fredericksburg. Visibility has been reduced for some. We're down to about a mile of visibility out towards Kaiser. We're seeing a little bit of improvement in Cumberland, now up to 7 miles, and we're seeing that in Martinsburg. Less than a mile in Luray, 4 miles in Culpeper, 7 in Frederick. So just some areas of some patchy fog that's reducing that visibility at this hour. We're watching this cold front off towards our north and west. Ahead of it, we do have some clouds and some showers and some embedded downpours and thunderstorms. We're watching that line as it continues to advance closer towards our area. That'll be throwing us a few clouds later on this afternoon, but for now, tracking the mainly sun-filled skies to greet you as you're stepping out the door this morning. By about midday today, those temperatures back into the low 80s, mid-upper 80s later on this afternoon ahead of that cold front, and then eventually that cold front will clear things out as we look ahead towards tomorrow. Today we're going with a high of 89 ahead of that cold front. It's that spot afternoon or evening thunder shower is possible. It's a 20% chance, so not everyone will be seeing those. Looking towards tomorrow, will be quite nice out there, mid-80s, and then we're going to be making a run to near 90 as we look ahead towards Wednesday, and Wednesday is the last full day of summer. The fall equinox kicks off as we look ahead towards 9:04 p.m. on Thursday. That's when fall officially begins. But I want to time out when this cold front does slide through. Looking ahead towards like after 4 p.m. this evening, then that clears out. But ahead of that cold front, as I mentioned, a chance for that spot shower, mainly back out towards the mountains region. High pressure back with us. That provides us with some sunshine as we look ahead towards your Tuesday. Tuesday is quite nice out there as we'll see the lower humidity, the clear skies, and those high temperatures not quite as hot as the day today. The tropics, we're talking about Fiona, which officially made landfall along the coast of the Dominican Republic earlier this morning after making landfall in Puerto Rico and providing some flooding rainfall to the island of Puerto Rico over the course of the weekend hours, and still going to be tracking some more rain bands that move across that area. But Puerto Rico already seeing at least 1 to 2 feet of rainfall. We'll be likely adding for some locations there about 5 inches of rainfall over towards parts of the Dominican Republic. We're looking at about 6 inches of rainfall over the course of the next 24 to 48 hours. So that's only for parts of the Dominican Republic. Then Fiona taking a turn off towards the north, likely gaining intensity. We're looking at a major hurricane status, could be up to a Category 3 storm as early as the middle of the week, and then passing by Bermuda before moving its way farther off towards the north, but still mainly out to sea and away from the eastern seaboard of the United States. But back here locally for that 7-day outlook, relatively quiet. We're looking at high temperatures nearing 90 on Wednesday. As I had mentioned, that's the last full day of summer. Fall equinox, that means fall officially begins at 9:04 p.m. We'll see high temperatures right around 80, feeling like fall for the first full day of fall on Friday. High temperatures, low 70s, mid 70s to kick off the weekend for Saturday, low 80s by Sunday. We're still looking mainly sun-filled for both weekend days.